bitch! Code red! Code red! The ex is calling! The ex is calling! Do not answer the phone! Put the phone down, walk away! If you're thinking about answering the phone, don't fucking do it, bitch! Do you want to feel sadness, despair, and anger for the next 5 fucking months? Then don't answer the phone. There's a very good reason you're not together anymore. You want to know why? Because they're shit! You're better! You're growing! And you want to know why they want to walk back into your life? Because they know they're better with you! But you are better without them! They are shit! Do not answer. Actually, while you're at it, block the fucking number. Block their number now, bitch! Don't answer the phone. Don't answer the phone, because you know what's gonna happen? They're gonna be like, I'm so sorry I missed you, and you're gonna be like, I miss you too. And then you're gonna get back together, and they're gonna put the same shit all over again! Don't do it! If you made it this far, you didn't answer the phone. I am so proud of you, bitch!